Hi, it's Fiestaro. Hello, Capricorn placements. This is your love reading ngayong November. And yeah, the person on your mind. Titingnan natin kung ano bang meron sa situation, okay? So again, yeah, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, if you're interested and may mga tanong kayo pagdating sa private reading, sa ating love bracelet kay granter, sa ating mga protection from evil eye, okay? So yeah, just message me. And doon sa ating new item for cord cutting, and doon sa pang cleansing din, okay? Yeah, just message me. Okay? So, and again, if you're interested rin na magpa-reading kay Perception of Light, message lang po kayo sa kanya. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi po. Okay? Magme-message. So, yeah. Okay. Capricorn. Capricorn. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, and the North Node. Who's the person on your mind? Let's see. Who is the person on Capricorn's mind? Okay. Okay, may dalawang nag-flip. The Seven of Swords Universe and the Six of Swords. Oh. This person, they're acting avoidant. They're acting like hindi sila, parang wala silang pakialam sa'yo. Pero I think that's their tactics. Okay, this is air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Yeah, the Devil. The Ace of Cups. Yeah, there's something. Okay, they're acting na they're ignoring you, wala silang pakialam sa'yo, pero it's like habang lumalayo sila, umaalis sila, nakalingon naman sa'yo. Parang ganun yung energy. Okay, they want to know kung anong magiging reaction mo kung ganun nga yung ginagawa nila sa ngayon. Yeah, they're watching you. They want to know more about you, I think. There's this curiosity na meron. Okay? Talagang hindi ka pinapansin ito. Yeah, talagang hindi ka pinapansin. Anyway, ano bang situation ninyo, Capricorn? Anong situation ninyo? The Seven of Wands in reversed. What is that? The Five of Wands in reverse. Somebody is sabihin lang nating umiiwas sa gulo, umiiwas sa drama. Yeah, the Tower. Yeah, umiiwas sa gulo, umiiwas sa drama, or sa kung anumang maaari pang magdulot ng hindi maganda. Kung ano man. Okay? Some of them, they're not into sabihin nating pakikipagrelasyon. Okay? Fire sign. Taurus, Virgo, no. Fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag. Anyway. Let's see what is there. Hang on. Some of them, this is channeled. May pagkatamad itong taong to. Ayaw nila ng paglalagay ng effort. Yeah. They don't want to put effort kung ano man. Okay? Ayaw nila nun. Pagkatamad daw. Yeah, that's not for all. Okay? So, anong emosyon nito right now? Anong emosyon niya for you, Capricorn? What is their emotion? The Ten of Swords. Why? Why the Ten of Swords? Some of them, they have trauma. Okay? Nandun yung energy na pwedeng sinasabotahin niya yung sarili niyang emosyon pagdating sa'yo. What's with this? Temperance. Actually, gusto niyang kumonek sa'yo, sa totoo lang. Okay? Pero andun yung sasabihin nating afraid sila. Okay? Afraid na ma-reject or what. Yeah, the 6 of Cups is here. Some of them kasi is takot na parang iwan. Parang ganun agad. Okay? Anyway, gusto ko na nito na talagang makakonect. Takot lang talaga sa connection itong tao. Yeah, see the Emperor in reversed. May takot. Okay, hindi sila ganun kahanda. Okay, inconsistent. Hindi pa sila handa. Yung 4 of Wands. So, I think, pagdating sa emosyon nitong taong to, may chance na nakakaramdam, sabihin natin mutual. This is mutual. Pero hindi nila kayang bumalanse sa kung anong meron ka. Okay? Hindi nila kayang bumalanse. Hindi nila kaya na gayahin or ipakita kung anong meron. Mahal mo or sabihin natin gusto mo tong taong to pero hindi nila kayang ipakita yun. Nandoon, nakatago pero hindi nila kaya ipakita. They're watching you. Yeah, I think they're watching you. They're stressed. I don't know why. What's their next action? What is their next action towards you? Yeah, the High Priestess. They're watching you. Okay? Nandun yung pag-i-stalk niya. The High Priestess in reverse. The Hermit in reversed. Kung ano mang hinahanap nito, lagi na lang siyang parang patuloy lang, no? Patuloy lang ang paghahanap nito sa'yo or pagtingin, pagsubaybay nitong taong to sa'yo. Wala kang maririnig from them. What? See, the Sun in reverse. Never itong magpapakita sa'yo. Never itong mag-express kung ano man. Okay? Pero sila, gusto nilang makita nila kung ano bang meron sa'yo. Or, yeah, they're curious. Yeah, they're curious. Okay? Puro pag-iisip to. Ayaw lang nila muna ng kung ano mang connection. Maybe they're not ready to enter a connection or a relationship. Okay? Takot itong parang abandonahin. Parang ganun. May ganun siyang energy. I don't know if this is like from their childhood trauma. Okay? Anong outcome? Let's see. Wala akong pwedeng ibigay na gabay or advice sa'yo. Dahil wala naman silang ginagawa rin. So, anong outcome na lang? Anong outcome nyo nitong taong to? Capricorn. The Hanged Man. Waiting. See? The King of Swords in reversed. The Six of Cups in walang mangyayari. I'm sorry. Walang mangyayari. This is all about takot. This is all about paghihintay. Para kayong naghihintayan nitong taong to. Or pwedeng hinihintay mo lang tong taong to. Or oh my God. Capricorn. The Two of Cups. This is mutual. Kung anong nararamdaman mo for them, yun din ang nararamdaman niya for you. Okay, this is a strong connection. Some of you, this is soul recognition. There's this obsession for some of you. Someone is obsessing here. Okay, someone. Hanapin ka ba naman ang hanapin nitong taong to? They're sad. Every time na hindi ka nila nakikita, wala silang naririnig na balita from you, they are sad. Pwedeng ganun ka rin pagdating sa kanya, Capricorn. If you're trying to look for them and hindi mo sila nakikita, pwedeng nalulungkot ka. Yeah, this is mutual. Feeling mutual. This is mutual emotion kung ano bang meron. Soul tie. Okay? Pero nandoon yung paghihintayan. Okay? So, advice ko sa inyo, if no one will take an action, walang mangyayari. Yes. Kung uunahin yung takot, kung uunahin yung kung ano man, pananabotahe sa sarili, kung ano man. Okay? I want to see your emotion for them. Anong emotion mo? See? The Ace of Cups. You love this person. Okay? You love this person. This is mutual connection. Mutual. Okay? So, but yes, they're afraid. They are afraid. Andun yung mga what if. Okay? Andun yung mga salitang sila mismo yung sumisira pagdating sa emosyon nila sa'yo. Andun yung, ay baka hindi ako gusto, ay baka ganito, ay ganto ganyan, mga ganon niya. Okay? Kung walang gagawa talaga, okay? Kailangan ng action dito. Kung kailangan ng action, so may chance na walang ginagawa yung pareho sa inyo. Pareho kayong walang ginagawa, yes, nandun yung emosyon, both of you. Pero, yun nga, again, kung walang gagawin, walang mangyayari. Okay? Well, so, kung ikaw gumawa ka ng action, pinansin mo siya or what, okay? I think some of you, pinansin mo to, Capricorn. Kasi they're running away. They're running away. Okay? Pwedeng may mga hints, signs kang pinapakita sa taong to na you like to connect. You're scaring them. Yeah. Hindi ko sinasabing tinatakot mo, ha? Talagang natatakot lang tong taong to. I don't know kung bakit. Okay? So, pwede kasing may chance ng strong connection. Ganun talaga eh. Lalo na soulmate, kung ano man. Soul recognition. Soul tie. Okay? Some of you might be dealing with another Capricorn kasi nakita ko kanina si Devil. Okay, anyway. So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs. Aries through Pisces. Okay. Aries through Pisces. Okay, Aries, they're confused. They're on some of them naghahanap. They're on a crossroads. Okay, Taurus. Gusto nila ng attention mo. Okay? There's this jealousy. Nakakakita ko ng jealousy from the Taurus. Gemini. No progress. Okay? Pwedeng walang energy ng attraction. Cancer, there's this infidelity with this Cancerian, some of you. Okay, there's this imbalance pagdating sa inyo in general. Leo, some of you, you're manifesting a Leo, or maybe there's a Leo who is manifesting you. Expect a message from them. Virgo, they're sad. They don't know kung anong kailangan nilang gawin. It's like, kailangan ka ng taong to. Okay? Para silang naglalakad sa isang, tawag dyan, lugar na walang ilaw. And ikaw yung ilaw. Parang ganon. Okay? Sounds so cliche, pero, yeah. Libra. Contentment. Yeah. Yun ang nakukuha ko. Contentment. Completion. Scorpio. They're hiding from you. They're stalking. They're hiding, but they're stalking. Yeah. Sagittarius. So there's this no cooperation with the Sagittarius. Some of you, you're in a third party with the Sag. Capricorn. They want to be near you. They need you. Actually, they need you. Aquarius. I repeat. Okay. Pisces, they're detaching themselves from you. Okay, it doesn't like any kind of toxicity or drama. Okay, so there, yun ang aking reading. For you Capricorn placements, again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.